Hi guys, in this video we talk about how to add product in Ultimate Premium ERP. So first of all, click on this product and click on add product, and you'll see this page, and click on the product name. We put iPhone 15 Pro Max, and you'll see this SKU. If you keep it leave blank, it will be automatically generated the SKU, and so now we keep it blank, it will be automatically generated the barcode. And now select the unit, and we have no brand, sorry. We click on this plus button, and we add the brand of this, like Apple, and click on save. And after that you'll see this category. We have no any category, but no issue. You can add product without this two drop down, like brand and category, but we add the category. It's good for us because we have no any category. For this we adding this accessories, and click on save, and again I will click on add product. Okay, you see this iPhone 15 Pro Max, and click on pieces, and brand is Apple, and category is accessories. And now we don't need now the subcategory. For now you see this business locations. If you have one or more multiple locations, you can select this product for multiple location to save it. Okay, so now we have no any other business location, so we have by default selected already this one. So I click this product image. If I need, we select this, it will be show like this. And okay, here you see this default purchase price and default selling price. Okay, so we put default purchase price where you purchase from seller, sorry, supplier, and this default selling price where you selling this item with profit, means we selling this. Okay, it's automatically show you margin percentage 25, and I'm click on this save and add opening stock. We adding quantity for this, and click on this. I have 100 quantities. Okay, so I click on save, and here you see these two products, and we have now 100 quantities, 100 pieces for this, and you see the selling price is 750 and the unit purchase price is 600. Now we click on this, and we show the product stock history. Here you will be see how much product we can sold already and how much product we have. Okay, now we have no any product sold, and the total purchase is 0 because we already adding the opening stock, not a total purchase, because we not any we have no any purchase invoice, like we purchase from any seller this quantities. Okay, so we simply add this 100 pieces from opening stock. Okay, we have no any total sale return now, and no any stock transfer in out, and no any total sale or total sale purchase return. Okay, so now we see this list of product, and I show you the product here. You see I'm clicking this view, and you see this, the product view, the all of things. You see the SKU and brands and pieces, barcode type, all of details here available inside it. Okay, so in the next video we will show you how to add IMAI product. Like this one is simply we add product, and in the next video we will show you how to add for the IMAI product, like mobile phone stores or any other serial product. You can sell it easily. Okay, so thank you for the watching. Wait for next video.